Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the most easiest way how you can go about hiding any folder that you have within your Windows. And you can do this in whichever Windows version that you have. If this sounds interesting to you, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, and let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm on my desktop here, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply create a new folder here, right? And I'm just gonna leave it as is. Now, to hide this folder, all you need to do, right click on this folder, go to properties, and here you will see hidden. You want to go ahead and check this and then click apply. Now, once you click apply and OK, the folder is hidden. You are not able to see it and no one will be able to see this folder. Now, let's say you want to view the folder. All you have to do, go ahead and click on your file explorer, right? And here you will see these three dots. It says see more. You want to go ahead and click that, then select the options button here. And here under view, you will see show hidden files, folders, and drives. You want to go ahead and check that and you want to click apply, OK. And you'll be able to see now that new folder that I have hidden, right? And that's the folder. So let's say you would like to hide the folder again. All you have to do is do the same steps. Go back to see more, options, view, and you just want to click don't show, right? Apply, OK, and the folder is gone. And that's how easy it is. Now, if you found some value in this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and you found some value there, feel free to subscribe to see much more videos coming out every single week, just like this one. See you next time.